Welcome to JNR Home Improvements. Founded in 2012, we've grown from a small Antelope Valley business into a nationally recognized outdoor living space design and construction leader. With offices in California and Texas, our mission is to enhance the lives of both clients and employees. Our goal to achieve it is simple: increase the beauty and functionality of your home with low maintenance and high-quality outdoor spaces. We partner with the world's leading manufacturers to bring you exclusive, top-tier products. JNR Home Improvements is proud to be award-winning, locally and nationally recognized by Entrepreneur 360 magazine. Licensed and insured beyond requirements, our dedicated team prioritizes your peace of mind using our innovative, proven systems. JNR Home Improvements, where quality meets trust. Discover the difference with JNR Home Improvements.